the floor of the CME Group. This is Danny Riley with today's Mr. Top Step Update. You know, the S&P is traded down to 1135 this morning. That's down 23 plus handles. You know, the bear bull sentiment is exactly where it was last year at this time when yours truly came on and said that the bear bull sentiment had gone way too far to the bear side and that we were looking for a big rally in the S&P. Well, it's a completely different story than it is now than it was a year ago today. The S&P is in its back and forth vicious trading range, and what we're going to do is we're going to pop up a chart, which basically there's a couple of things on the chart that you can look at, but the main two things that I'm going to point out is the two levels both above and below. The 1220 level that the S&P cannot seem to get above, and the 1120 level that the S&P can't seem to hold below. And what we've done is we've compacted our ranges a little bit here, and in turn the volumes have dropped. But that said, the markets are still under a lot of pressure here. And as we go into the end of the third quarter, what happened this week was T+3 got run over by the first two big up days of the week. Mutual Fund Monday, as Mr. Top Step came out and warned about a Mutual Fund Monday. But ever since, we've had this big dribbling effect to the downside. You know, back and forth news out of Europe, good and bad, doesn't seem to be affecting the S&P and its downward ascent right now. As far as the rest of the day goes concerned, you know what? The markets are sitting here at sell program levels. We got a rally off the 35 even low, and the market surged higher and then came back and now made another low down to 1134 even, and is back down to 1137 even. It's about 10 o'clock Central Time here, and that leaves a lot of time left here in the day. I guess the big question is whether or not the mutual funds have saved enough money to try to mark stocks up in the afternoon. But to tell you what, the tone of the markets are so heavy here that even if they do bounce a little bit, we think that the markets will get sold again. Additionally, the statistics for the first day of trading day of October is the Dow has been down 4 out of the last 5 occasions. You know, we're going to leave it at that. The markets are on a downer here, and we'll be back on Monday with another Mr. Top Step update.